and all protocols observed. Here before you is the family of our brother Robert Keter, better known as Carlos. So we are here, we'll have very quick tributes from Emmanuel, Mama Ashley, the sister, and our mother here, very quickly.
Today, we gather with heavy hearts to say goodbye to our beloved Carlos. To us, Carlos was not just a name. He was a pillar of our family, a source of our strength, love, and guidance. Carlos had a heart full of kindness. He cared deeply for his family and always put others before himself. Whether it was through his words of advice, his laughter, or the smile where he showed up when someone needed help. Carlos made a difference in our lives. As a family, we will forever cherish the memories we shared with him. The conversations, the smile, the moments that brought us together. Though he is no longer with us physically, his love remains in our hearts forever. Carlos, you will always be remembered and deeply missed. May you rest in eternal peace.
On behalf of the entire family, we extend our profound appreciation for kindness, solidarity, and generosity shown to us. Your support has comforted us during this time of grief, and we will always remain grateful. May God
Nekonyitot President William Ruto, nekonyitot Governor nenyo ak kandoik tugul chemiten eng kwenunyon, amwoe mutyo mising en werinyu netai Carlos. Carlos ko kokecheyat nekararan en konyu. Kiong'ololji keny amun kimi taban ole oyomengei ak Mheshimiwa Ngong. Kokoakoyanan okoakochomyo. Amwoe kongoi en noton amun kikesunen banda Changina. Changina ko kokwenyo. Kibur tuan mpaka nekit saa 10 nebo kemboi. Ako kingoitu kinyoketoche konyebut chego en sotet agenge. Ami kityo kakwonge ng'alek chekimwa en betunoton ak ele kiburto biik. amun kiaker akawe taban o maru betunoto. Asubuhi konyo kee chaik twan akoleon mama katwekwo mheshimiwa kibendi safari. Ale sawa ye chaik. Akomwon any project nekotesetai en konyon nekinam en betunoto. Konam project nekobakach nemongen ale tore ng'o. Kiwo komokeswon ng'alekab project noton. Kilyon kityo testai ilul ketik akoyomis nekibete ketichoton. Akomanda werinyun koit biik chechang kokatkei tugul. Kotakomi ko kochun ndegeit. Alei mama kait ndegeit. Kobakach chaik kole babanywan ongesa. Kosa akokochi sirutiet akekochi soisere sait noton. Akwo werinyun matakowek. Mutyo mising. Lagochu chok tugul kokoruiyo. Mutyo ngong. Mutyo lagokyok. Mutyo ru komie kalos. Koayan ale koiwe. Amwoe mutyo. Kongoi ru komie.
So, Your Excellency, the project Mama here is talking about is a house that Carlos planned to build for his family, for his parents. So that is the request she's presenting to you, sir. My name is Kilelson Mutai. I'm the first cousin to the late Carlos. You know, Carlos had a way of messing with all of us. He arrived on Christmas Day in 1988. So even those who didn't know him celebrated him in their own way. And here today, we also celebrate his passing. He's such a great man. Like I said, he was the hope. He was the hope of this family. And he really represented hope and a future, not for his family alone, but the entire Mariaria family where we come from, and Basuetech people wherever they are. They all mourn. So for that reason, we are grateful for those that supported him in his life. As you see, he graduated from Moi University with a bachelor's degree in education in 2015, but could not collect his certificate until 2013 because of fees, for which we are grateful to Mheshimiwa Kipchumba Murkomen for clearing his fees. He will tell us how much it was. He cleared his fees and he was able to graduate, and he finally had his degree certificate at hand that enabled Johanna Ngeno, Mama, Kilele Ngongoi, Kotore Johanna Ngeno, Damun Gigitore kunyor the certificate, Nebo University, Kunyo Kotore Johanna, Kogo Chigasi, Danda Goto Mot Konam, Kilelem Ngongoi missing to the family Ngung Mama, of Pikwak Tugul, and Uno Goname, Mwishmiwa. Kilele Ngongoi Gora, Amun Kogo Walchi, Ke Sirchita sister. Promises Chogoge Gone Kenambichu. Your Excellency, these people are 9 now remaining. So you can see what these parents of us have done. This lady here is a nurse. The young man here, Emmanuel, is a second-year student at Chuka University. Embu University. Aaron is joining university this year. He's ready to join even as early as May if facilitation is availed, and that is the request we are having. This is what Carlos was handling. Otherwise, Aaron Cheriot as well, he presented a lot of hope to him. Wherever I was with him, whenever he had issues, he always called Aaron Cheriot, the majority leader. And we are very grateful that he always gave hope to him as well. So for everybody else, we say thank you in a very special way. We really mourn. That guy had a future. That guy had a future. I used to question him actually. Kita moleni, kali asing itanyengong. So finally he called me, and finally, the last things he did, which surprised all of us, he said he has agreed to work with Joanna Ngeno. He will fight all the fights with him. I'm sure those who follow on social media, you saw that. But he also said that he is now standing for only two things in this world: for the truth and to prepare himself for Kipsengwe. And that is what happened. So that gives us comfort that he did those things and he has gone and he has rested well. Otherwise, we believe that upon graduation from Moi University, Your Excellency, the next school that he went to is the Ngong School of Leadership. He was the last entrant, I believe. Which school I hope and urge that when this university we have talked about, you promised to give us here, is established, we'll have a very huge department called the Ngong School of Leadership. Thank you very much and God bless you.
Amwai Gongoi, Our Excellency President. Ingengalos, Kimi Ofisingu. Amwai Gongoi, Murkome. Ongenge kabisa. Au kitoret tuan en ele kiui. Amwai Gongoi Governor Ntutu. Amwai Gongoi Senator Cheriot. Gongoi mising. Motesini iki.